How to fix WhatsApp contact not showing up on your phone. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily fix if you're having trouble seeing your contact names on WhatsApp. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open WhatsApp and see if you have saved the contact, because if you haven't saved the contact to your device, you won't be able to see their name. So go ahead and tap on any chat you want and then tap on the profile. And once you do that, you just need to make sure that they are saved in your phone's contact. If not, what you can do is just save the contact to your device and write down the contact name, and it will be displayed on your WhatsApp. The next step you can try to do is simply go ahead and open settings, find the app settings, then scroll down and find WhatsApp. I'm just going to search for WhatsApp here. Now, the next step is to go to your storage and then clear cache. If you want, you could also try to clear all of its data. And after doing so, you can go back and go to permissions. Make sure the contact permissions are allowed. This is the most important step because if the WhatsApp cannot access your contact permission, then it won't be able to show you the name. After doing this, just give your phone a quick restart and you should be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.